Nabuta.
Number 3 mo balis natin. Yan. Okay. Wow. Ay, spot na ka.
Doon na, tatay mo. Doon na kayo.
Tay, bilisan na. Wala diyan.
Ito. Official. Official. Ito ba? Official lang. Official.
Isa pa.
Mana? Long table to ah. Hey. Go there. Go there, go. There. Picture. Sige na. Diyan. Go. Ready? Sing. Happy birthday. Louder. Happy birthday. Dani. Nasaan? Ay, hindi abot. Yay! Alright, kan? Hi, my name is Lester Basilio from CoachLester.com. I am a business coach and an online entrepreneur. I am also the founder of Elite Digital Academy. We are a community of coaches that conducts coaching sessions on how to start your own online business. I want to extend an invitation for you to join me on a 1 hour of conversation on how to earn online using automated digital system. You see, a lot of people nowadays are affected by the current crisis that we are facing today. And we are now looking for ways for us to make money but don't know where or how to start. In this webinar, we will provide some powerful ideas that you can begin right away and start earning money online. Another thing about why people don't go online is that they don't know where to find clients or they don't know how to market online. In this webinar, we will give you also knowledge on how you can have a fully automated online system to build clients and produce sales and profit. I will also make myself available to any other questions you might have. You will also hear some success stories from our students who are generating huge profits from this platform. If you're the kind of person who are looking for a way to make money online and have a desire to make your dreams into a reality, then this webinar is for you. So register for free and see you at the webinar. Lakasan. Hi guys, hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Oh.
Dani, ano sa'yo? Ano sa'yo, Dani?
Makikita ka sa vlog.
Grabe ka, ha? Kaya lang ako pa rin. Sabi mo kanina kasi. Kay Dani na lang. Si Dani. Kaya ang baka nakakalungkot tayo na ako may birthday. Ano ginawa ko? No, huwag manulak baby. Ay, manulak. Sinutulak si Kuya. Naka-record tayo. Makikita tayo. Makikita tayo.
Simple lang. Wala ba siya? Anong kaganapan dito?
Hey! The birthday boy! Dani, say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog, Lay. Hi. Dani, Dani. Hi, vlog. Wow, what are you playing? Ano yan? YouTube pala. Nagpaalam ba? Nagpaalam? Lay dyan.
Ano yan?
Vlog, vlog. Hanapin mo ako, Coach Lester. Subscribe ka. Coach Lester. May si TikTok sa labas, yung kapatid ko, saka yung kaibigan niya. Spy na tayo, spy. Yeah. Sinadyo ba? Hi Dodo! Hi Dodo! Hi Dodo! Vlog mo pa vlog.
Toto na lang.
Si Dodo na lang. Gusto na.
Ay, babe. Tita, kinakalan ka?
Alis ka na dyan. Nag-video sila, tita.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Labi! Huwag ka, sir!
Sige lang, sayaw lang.
Yeah. Hi guys! Today, baby Lucky is... Ayan na. Kita ang taba ni nanay. Taba ni nanay. Ay, my lover. Lumipad sa langit. Di ko na nakita. Pumutok na pala. Sayang ang pera ko.
Yung isa kasi, habol-habol na din niya. Nagabang eh.
Pangbili ng lobo. That's so happily ever after. Okay.
Doon tayo makuha. Makaldero na lang
Uy ka? Ha?
Hello! Hello na lang.
Ang uhay na yun. Silaw pala.
Hey! Dani, masina.
I see you soon in the next video.